So, as you guys heard and saw, somebody ripped off my mirror. It's cool. Not a big deal. Not mad. It's not that much. It's just a mirror. I'm alive. But you know what's about being alive is great? Is that people hate on you all the time. Everybody hates on me since I got this car. I don't care. I love the hate. I'm blessed. I work my ass off day and night. Mirror ain't nothing to me. It's just a day of work. Mirror's just a day of work. The guy that ripped it off, God bless you and your family. I think you forgot you left your fingerprints on the mirror. Retard. But, anyways, life is too short to be pissed off for a damn mirror. Yeah, it's a demon mirror. It's expensive as hell. It's not a big deal. I got my boy Steve from SS Motoring. He's gonna take care of it. But you know what I'm gonna do? That's not gonna ruin my chance or my weekend to go out. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna glue it back together. Crazy glue. The best, man. The best. It's the best. But you know what? It's just a mirror. It's not gonna ruin my day. It's not gonna make me unhappy. I just wish that when you do something towards me or you have something against me, please just have the balls to come talk to me. If you wanna, anything you need, anything you want, just please have the decency to come tell me what's good. If you wanna meet up, anything, you know? I know, messed this part up. Not a big deal. It's to me, it's not a big deal. It's just a mirror, people. I can get over it. But you know what? I'm alive. I'm blessed. I work day and night, so I could be able to afford this mirror, this car, anything I want. So don't get little things just get to you. Look, I'll be driving it in an hour. Like new. See? Still works. So I gotta thank Crazy Glue, the guy that ripped off my mirror. Thank you. You're making me a better person not to hate people for stupid shit like that. But it's just life, people. It's just life. It's just a mirror. It works. But it's just life. So we work our ass off. We're blessed. And if you're having a bad day, I hope you have a good day. Just laugh at people like that. They can't afford a car like this. But you know what? I keep hustling day and night for this car. Still works. Thank you.